Bats living in our communities face a wide variety of hazards, including being killed by house cats, drowning in rain barrels, pools, and water troughs, entrapment in chimneys and smooth-sided vents, habitat loss, extermination and harassment of colonies, collisions with wind turbines and death from barotrauma at these sites, collisions with vehicles, entanglement in sticky traps, and getting caught on barbed wire or on invasive burdock weeds. These types of deaths are reported frequently enough to suggest they may have a significant impact on bat populations. Bats reproduce slowly, often only having one pup a year. Their slow reproductive rate means they are particularly vulnerable to habitat loss and other sources of mortality. Homeowners can control many of these hazards using simple solutions. Keep cats indoors or within outdoor enclosures such as catios. Avoid using open sticky tape or traps in areas where bats may encounter them. Install chimney caps and furnace vents with a wire mesh covering. Avoid the use of barbed wire near roosts or sources of drinking water. And encourage government to protect Alberta's biodiversity. Bats cannot climb smooth surfaces and are easily trapped in garden ponds, water troughs, and rain barrels. They drink while in flight and are occasionally knocked into the water. Ensure there are coverings or escape options in any water features that could trap wildlife. Even the addition of a piece of wood or attaching mesh to the inside of water features can help wildlife escape. Learn more about Alberta's bats at www.albertabats.ca.